Today I'm going to reveal a secret and unfair software that will be launched on 27th of November. But if you stick to the end of this video, I will show you how to get that software today for free. But let me show you what it's all about. I am a long-time affiliate for a guy called Jonathan Montoya. He is a seven-figure marketer and he's into affiliate marketing for 4 years, I think, and made a lot of money. But that's not important. What is important that he created this unfair software which is done for you, affiliate marketing system that you just configure in like an hour, and after that it can promote 12 affiliate marketing programs. This is a sneak peek because this software is still not released of how it works and what you get. If you can see clearly, I got all these links that I entered here are my affiliate links for these affiliate programs. So I can promote multiple affiliate programs. I think it's 13 affiliate programs at the moment, and they will add more as you go along. But let me show you something first. If I go to the profile and my social settings, I can enter my full name, first name, Facebook link, YouTube channel link, and my photo here. And if I update this, automatically the whole system will be using this information. So if you see the free course, and by the way, you get this free course as a white label course. What does that mean? You can promote the free course as your own, like you partnered with Jonathan Montoya, and every part of this system will show your information. As you can see, this is my name and surname and my picture, and every button on this page is my affiliate link. So whatever somebody clicks, I will get affiliated to it. What's the other interesting thing that you want to see is automation area of the Funnel Freedom, where you will have 365 emails done for you. So how all these things work? When you get somebody to sign for this free course, which is an excellent 7-part totally free course, and you can get started just by following this. When they go into this, these sequences will go on and on daily and send them the emails to promote all those affiliate programs that I showed you in the first screen. So every email in here will contain your affiliate link. How cool is that? I think this is a very unfair software for people that are starting affiliate marketing from scratch, doing the funnels, doing the email sequences. It's hard. So this is the next level affiliate marketing program. And if you stay till the end of this video, I will show you how you can get this program now, even before it is released. As you can see, I am using this program already. I'm testing it out. So as I said, everything is linked to me. So these links to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are my links. The whole shebang is mine. If I go to the next lesson, which is the fastest way to quit your job, this is the course video, and you can join the community of the 72-hour challenge, which I will talk about a bit later, which is a low ticket course for $7, which you can buy through all these links, and it will help you to quit your 9-to-5 job even faster, because it's a better course. You get a call with business advisor, and then if you want to become their affiliates and start selling the Funnel Freedom or Freedom Accelerator or 72-hour Freedom Challenge, you can do that, and they will do the calling for themselves. So they have a team of callers who will try to sell the Freedom Accelerator, which is a high-ticket product for you. So you just bring them the lead and they are doing the selling. Also, if you buy the 72-hour Freedom Challenge now, on the day 2 of that challenge, as you can see here, is the automated sales system using an unfair tool, and this is where you go to get your Funnel Freedom trial. If you go through there, I will give you all the instructions step by step in a moment. You will get that white labeled course, you will get all those email sequences, you will get the whole Funnel Freedom software where you can, so you have a social planner, you can tweet, you can post to LinkedIn, to TikTok, to Instagram, all from one platform. And that software is doing the email automation and the funnels. As you can see, this is the whole shebang, funnels that are already done for you, and all your information is automatically injected into those funnels. And this is something that most people will like, because I am in affiliate marketing for a long time, and I think the biggest hurdle is technical one, where people they cannot wrap their heads around building a funnel, building an email sequence. And this is the one place where you can do it all. I will show you how to go and get everything. The first step, or step one, of getting the Funnel Freedom is applying for the free course using the link in my description. When you do that, you will get this free course, and you can stop there. So you can learn why the affiliate marketing is the best hustle online to quit your job, how to quit your job the fastest way, the actual target you need to hit your job. You will signing a contract with yourself to be able to be consistent after your work hours and work on your business to achieve freedom. You can stop there, but I urge you, because this is an opportunity. It's very, very early now. If you go into Funnel Freedom program now, you will get an advantage before everybody else. So don't miss this opportunity. At this moment, you can go in faster if you either go to the link in the description for Funnel Freedom and join the waitlist. When you get the email, you will be able to go in, or the other way around, and I urge you to do that, is to buy the 72-hour Freedom Challenge, which is $7. And this is a 3-day challenge which will help you, which is a much advanced, and you will understand everything and even get help from a live person on the call. So this tool, when you go to this tool on the day 2, you have a link to get your Funnel Freedom trial. And when you click on that link, you will get everything that it needs. It's a bit confusing at the moment because they are pre-authorizing the credit cards for the Funnel Freedom, because Funnel Freedom has 30-day free trial at this moment. After that, it will cost $97 a month. If you go in now, you will set up everything. As you can see, I have a custom domain. If I go to ff@Honest Marketing Tips, this is my landing page. This is the funnel that the Funnel Freedom set up for me. This is the way that you will go if you go to the link in the description. Take the free course, enter your name and email, and if you want the phone number, and you will get the Freedom Ascension course for free. But if you go into the Funnel Freedom now, you will be able to use that same course and set up same system as this one. So what are you waiting for? The link to the free course is in my description below, and when you go, you will learn everything about affiliate marketing, and then you use the Funnel Freedom software, which is amazing to actually start doing the traffic. You need traffic. I need traffic to go to this page, and when somebody opts in here and becomes my lead, everything else will be promoted for me automatically. So this is working 24/7. Even when I'm sleeping, this software is working behind the scene, and you don't have to buy anything else. You don't need a separate funnel software like ClickFunnels or System.io. You don't have to buy an email responder. Everything is included. Even the social media planner, you don't have to buy it, because you have to drive traffic to this page in order to get leads. There is 2 ways to drive traffic, and you can learn that even in Freedom Ascension, where you in part 6 will learn how to get 12,000 leads a month and 6 ways to get free traffic. And inside the 72 hours challenge, we have there is a paid ads course if you want to go this way, or if you want to scale your business. I think that this software is over the top, and Jonathan did a really amazing job of helping new beginner affiliate marketers to achieve great results without the headache of doing the technical part of setting up your system, this system that is working passively for you. It's not passive. Let me get this straight, and this is a great disclaimer. Nothing will happen overnight. You will not buy this software and be rich. You have to drive traffic. We often drive traffic through creating content. Like this video is content that is driving traffic to my landing page. The best way at the moment to drive traffic to your landing page is through short form content, which is Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest idea pins. There is a plethora of things. You will learn all that in this course. So don't just imagine you will buy this system and everything will be done. You will have to work at least 2-3 hours a day beside your 9-to-5 job to actually get the traffic inside. I hope this helps. There's a link in the description. Don't forget, go there and get the course. It's basically 100% free. What are you waiting for? Even if you get only this course, go get it.